Mum left gasping for air due to suspected coronavirus has been left heartbroken because she won't see her daughter for at least 2 weeks. Anja Kirsten, from Newcastle, posted harrowing video showing her coughing while hooked up to ventilator with mask over her face in hospital. In another clip, the 36-year-old, who has heart condition, repeatedly coughs and struggles to breathe as she begs people to self-isolate and follow social distancing guidelines. She hit out at those who are ignoring the government's COVID-19 advice, telling Mirror Online, "Think it's really bad. Don't think people have realized how serious it is. I am sure no one would want themselves or their loved ones in this position or worse. Why aren't pubs or bars realizing the impact that they are having by staying open? Why would people put their lives and others at risk? It's bizarre to me. I think people think they're immune to it. No one is. It doesn't discriminate who it takes hold of. And understand people are scared. And panicking buying but not sparing thought for other is awful. I'm glad can't leave my house to witness it firsthand. People have been leaving care packages at my door for me. I've seen so many lovely posts of people helping others, older people, with care packages. I shared my story as was sick of people not taking it seriously and still putting themselves or others at risk. Hopefully they'll be bit more mindful now." Anja, who works in call center, said doctors told her that she is likely suffering from coronavirus. She was sent home without being tested and told to stay away from others. Her 10-year-old daughter, Macy, and her cousin have been ordered to self-isolate away from her due to potential exposure to COVID-19. Anja said, "It started last Thursday, the day after my birthday. I didn't do anything on my birthday as I've just moved into my new house. But slept for almost 24 hours and just generally felt really unwell. Then started to get sore throat and losing my voice. By Sunday afternoon could barely breathe for coughing. I had to call 111 again last night and they sent an ambulance pretty quick as couldn't breathe for coughing. They ran some tests for blood pressure, temperature, etc. but as it wasn't bad enough to be admitted they've told me to carry on as am isolating at home with the steroids and paracetamol." Anja desperately misses her daughter and has been trying to cope with loneliness while self-isolating. She said, "It is really hard being away from Macy. She came to hospital with me and my cousin and the doctor told her to take my daughter home to her house as she cannot be around me for 14 days. So she's currently at my cousin's home. We've been FaceTiming but she's only 10 and missing being with me lot." In one of her videos, Anja coughs repeatedly and struggles to breathe. She wheezes with every breath and holds her hand to her chest as she coughs in pain. She tells the camera, "Just wanted to make video of how bad it actually is. Because no lot of people out there don't really believe that it's serious virus or anything like that. This is me breathing. It's absolutely horrendous, so any advice to those who don't believe it or aren't taking any safety precautions, seriously do. None of this is worth your health." In post, she wrote, "Realize that this is all very worrying time and some people are not that concerned. I didn't want to share my experience so publicly, however people should know that this disease is no laughing matter. It began last week without me even realizing may have been infected. Thursday slept for almost 24 hours. Saturday started with sore throat and began to lose my voice. By Sunday afternoon could barely breathe for coughing. Called 111 and given my medical history with my heart murmur they told me had to be seen in hospital within hours. At hospital they isolated me in room away from everyone, assessed me, took X-rays of my lungs and decided it was suspected COVID-19. I was on breathing equipment and have been given steroids to treat it. I am in home isolation for 14 days, without any contact from my family or friends and the worst part is cannot see my daughter for 14 days.